Hello friends, welcome to another mini project. Here in this lesson we are going to see how we can reverse a string in Python very easily. So first what we will do, we will take input, so str equals input, enter the string. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to reverse it, right? So the trick is, let's create another variable, reversed underscore string equals str, and we are going to provide two colons, and then we are going to write -1. So what is this? Actually, this is a string slicer. Okay, the first argument, it's the start. So let me write here start, next stop, and the last one is step. Okay, so start, we are providing start and stop are blank, which means we are taking the whole string. Okay, and step we are providing -1, so it goes backward. Now what we are going to do, now let's print reversed string. Next, let's execute it. So Python, enter the string. Let's write here, say number or num. There you go, mun. Let me provide here a space, a colon, and also make it a new line. All right, it will be better. Now let's execute it one more time. So the string, let's make it say moon or sun. Moon, let's write her moon. There you go, no. Let's enter the string sun ness. Okay, so that's it. I recommend you play with it, this string slicing. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope that you have learned a really cool trick in Python. Yes friend, Python, as I have told you, it's really very friendly, just embrace it. Okay, so that's it guys. See you in our next project. Till then, have fun, take care.